Struggling to keep up with endless tasks and wasting hours on repetitive work? Stick around. In this video I'll show you the top 9 best AI tools for business that can save you time, cut costs, and help your business grow smarter and faster. Also, in this video, I will review each AI tool and explain what each one does. Let's start the video right now. 1. Presentations is an innovative AI tool that revolutionizes the way we create presentations by simplifying the entire process through automation. By intelligently generating slide content based on user input. This eliminates the tedious task of manually crafting each slide, allowing users to focus on their core message. This automation not only saves valuable time but also ensures that presentations are cohesive and visually appealing. Users can easily customize their slides with various templates, themes, and design elements. Users can also tailor the presentation to fit their unique style and audience needs. The flexibility offered by presentations means that you can prepare for a business meeting, a conference, or a classroom setting. You can create a professional-looking presentation in a fraction of the time it would typically take. We encourage viewers to try presentations for free to experience its efficiency firsthand. By leveraging this powerful tool, you can enhance your presentation skills and deliver impactful messages that resonate with your audience. You can do this while enjoying the benefits of a streamlined and user-friendly interface. 2. Coral AI is a powerful tool designed to streamline the process of summarizing lengthy PDF documents. This is an invaluable resource for anyone who frequently engages with extensive texts. By efficiently extracting key information and condensing it into concise summaries, Coral AI saves users significant time and effort. This allows users to focus on the most relevant content without getting bogged down by unnecessary details. This functionality is particularly beneficial for students, researchers, and professionals who often deal with large volumes of information in PDF format. With Coral AI, users can quickly grasp essential concepts and insights, enhancing their productivity and comprehension. As you consider the challenges of reading and summarizing documents, think about your own experiences. How often have you found yourself overwhelmed by lengthy reports or academic papers? Coral AI addresses these common pain points, providing a solution that not only simplifies the reading process, but also empowers users to engage more effectively with their materials. We encourage viewers to explore Coral AI and discover how it can transform their approach to handling PDF documents. 3. Hostinger's AI-powered website builder is a game-changer for anyone looking to create a professional website in no time. Even without any experience and without any coding skills. This innovative tool can generate a fully functional website in under a minute, making it incredibly accessible for users of all experience levels. With its intuitive interface, beginners can easily navigate the process and have their online presence established quickly. The builder also includes built-in AI tools for content creation, allowing users to generate engaging text and visuals tailored to their specific needs. Additionally, it offers robust e-commerce functionalities, enabling users to set up online stores effortlessly. Also, manage inventory and process payments seamlessly. This combination of features not only simplifies the website creation process, but also empowers users to launch their businesses or personal brands with confidence. For those just starting out, Hostinger's AI-powered website builder provides a fast and efficient way to establish an online presence. This ensures that even those with limited technical knowledge can create a stunning website that stands out in the digital landscape. 4. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that simplifies workflows by connecting different applications through a concept known as zaps. A zap is essentially a workflow that automates repetitive tasks, allowing users to focus on more important aspects of their work. By setting up triggers and actions, Zapier enables seamless communication between apps. This streamlines processes that would otherwise require manual intervention. For instance, users can create a zap that automatically saves email attachments from Gmail to Dropbox. Or, one that adds new leads from a web form directly into a CRM system. These common automations can significantly save time and reduce the risk of errors, enhancing overall productivity. Additionally, Zapier offers a wide range of pre-built templates tailored to various industries and businesses. This makes it easy for users to find solutions that fit their specific needs. We encourage viewers to explore these templates and discover how Zapier can transform their daily tasks into efficient automated processes. This will ultimately free up time for more strategic initiatives and creative endeavors. 5. Do Not Pay is an innovative AI tool designed to provide legal assistance to individuals facing various legal issues. Issues such as contesting parking tickets and canceling unwanted subscriptions. By leveraging advanced technology, Do Not Pay simplifies the often daunting legal process. This makes it accessible to everyone, regardless of their legal expertise. The platform's user-friendly approach automates the creation of legal paperwork, allowing users to navigate complex legal situations with ease. For instance, users can quickly generate appeal letters for parking violations. It can also initiate subscription cancellations without the hassle of lengthy forms or legal jargon. Do Not Pay's mission is to empower individuals in their battles against large corporations, ensuring that everyone has the resources to stand up for their rights. By democratizing access to legal assistance, Do Not Pay aims to level the playing field, enabling users to take control of their legal matters confidently. Whether you're dealing with a minor infraction or a more significant issue, Do Not Pay offers a straightforward solution. This helps users tackle legal challenges efficiently and effectively. Adobe Firefly is an exciting creative AI tool that empowers users to generate stunning graphics simply by entering text prompts. This intuitive platform allows individuals, regardless of their artistic background, to bring their ideas to life visually. By typing in descriptive phrases, users can create unique images tailored to their specific needs, making graphic design more accessible than ever. In addition to its current capabilities, Adobe Firefly is set to introduce upcoming features for video generation, further expanding its creative potential. These enhancements will enable users to create dynamic visual content. These features make it an invaluable resource for marketers, content creators, and anyone looking to enhance their projects with engaging visuals. The user-friendly interface ensures that even beginners can navigate the tool with ease, encouraging experimentation and creativity. We invite viewers to explore Adobe Firefly and unleash their imagination. Whether for personal projects, professional presentations, or social media content creation. By trying out this innovative tool, users can discover new ways to express their creativity and elevate their visual storytelling. 6. Twain is an advanced AI writing assistant that offers numerous benefits for enhancing the quality of written content. One of its primary advantages is its ability to improve writing clarity and professionalism. This ensures that users communicate their ideas effectively and persuasively. By analyzing text and providing real-time suggestions, Twain helps refine language, eliminate jargon, and enhance overall readability. This makes it an essential tool for anyone looking to elevate their writing. Additionally, Twain is designed to adapt to various writing styles and tones. This allows users to tailor their content to suit different audiences and purposes. Whether you need a formal report, a casual blog post, or engaging marketing copy, Twain can adjust its recommendations to match your desired voice. This versatility makes it an invaluable resource for writers across diverse fields. We encourage viewers to incorporate Twain into their everyday writing tasks, from emails to essays, to experience the difference it can make. By leveraging this powerful tool, users can enhance their writing skills and produce polished, professional content with ease. 7. ChatGPT is a groundbreaking AI language model that has significantly transformed the way we interact with technology across various applications. Its ability to understand and generate human-like text makes it a valuable tool for tasks ranging from customer support to content creation and education. As ChatGPT continues to evolve, it is set to introduce exciting upcoming features that will further enhance its capabilities. This includes improved context understanding and more nuanced responses. One of the most promising aspects of ChatGPT is its potential for handling multimedia content. This feature allows users to engage with images, audio, and video alongside text. Additionally, Smart device integration will enable seamless interactions across different platforms, making it easier for users to access information and automate tasks. To maximize the benefits of ChatGPT, we encourage viewers to enhance their prompting skills. Crafting clear and specific prompts can lead to more accurate and relevant responses, ultimately improving the overall user experience. By exploring the full potential of ChatGPT, users can unlock new possibilities in communication, creativity, and productivity. 8. Ocean.io is an innovative B2B tool designed to enhance customer targeting. You can do this by leveraging advanced data analysis to identify ideal customer profiles. By examining various data points, Ocean.io helps businesses understand their target audience more deeply. This allows users to tailor their marketing strategies effectively. This precise targeting not only increases the likelihood of successful outreach but also ensures that resources are allocated efficiently. Additionally, Ocean.io streamlines sales processes by automating key tasks, enabling sales teams to focus on building relationships and closing deals, rather than getting bogged down in administrative work. With its user-friendly interface and powerful analytics, businesses can quickly access insights that drive informed decision-making and enhance overall performance. We encourage viewers to utilize Ocean.io for better customer outreach, as it empowers organizations to connect with the right prospects at the right time. By harnessing the capabilities of this tool, businesses can improve their sales effectiveness. The tool can also foster meaningful customer relationships and ultimately drive growth in a competitive market. Embracing Ocean.io can transform the way companies approach customer targeting and engagement. 9. Autopod is an innovative AI tool specifically designed to simplify the podcasting experience for creators. One of its standout features is its ability to automate video editing, making the process of cutting and syncing audio and video seamless and efficient. By intelligently analyzing the content, Autopod can identify key moments and automatically make the necessary edits, this significantly reducing the time traditionally spent on post-production. This time-saving benefit allows content creators to focus on what truly matters, crafting engaging and high-quality content for their audience. With Autopod handling the technical aspects of editing, podcasters can dedicate more energy to developing their ideas, also enhancing their storytelling and connecting with listeners. The tool's user-friendly interface ensures that even those with minimal technical skills can navigate the editing process with ease. We encourage viewers to explore Autopod and experience how it can transform their podcasting workflow. By leveraging this powerful AI tool, creators can streamline their production process. Also, it can elevate their podcasts to new heights, all while maintaining their creative vision. If you found this video about the best AI tools for business helpful, please like this video and share this video with anyone who may benefit from it. Please subscribe to our channel so we can continue to provide helpful content about marketing and AI tools. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.